Today we are checking out Stitch by Google, a tool that lets you design at the speed of AI. With Stitch, you can transform simple ideas into ready UI designs for mobile and web apps. You can make quick edits and even export clean code. Let's see how it works. Imagine being able to design an entire mobile app or website in just a few seconds without touching a single design tool. Sounds unreal, right? All you need to do is head over to stitch.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and you are good to go. Here we are on stitch.withgoogle.com and we have signed up our account. Now you can see the simple text box. This is where all the magic happens. Just describe the kind of app or website you want. Choose whether it's for mobile or web and hit generate. So let me try that thing. For example, mobile friendly home for a marketplace of handmade ceramics and pottery with a minimalist top theme. Quiz page in a language learning app with a progress bar at the top. The title challenges you to match a Spanish word with the correct answer, offering four possible options. Let's try this one once and see what it generates. So I have chose that uh, prompt already given, and let's generate the designs. Let's see what it generates. I clicked on generate designs. Now Stitch is in the process. It will take some time. It is taking a little bit more time. Let's wait. Stitch has given the reply. The design for your Spanish word match quiz page has been generated. Spanish word match quiz. This screen features a quiz interface for a language learning app, complete with a progress bar at the top, challenging users to match a Spanish word with its correct translation from four options. Would you like any changes or further details on this design? I can see a design has been generated. Add a score tracker to the quick page. Let's click on that. So we can see the difference. Like previously, there was no score tracking. Now there is a score tracking where you can see that 1200 has been written. It is asking for more thing. We have, are you interested in seeing these updates or reviewing other parts of the dashboard? Let's create something new and let's see how it generates. Now I will ask for creating a food delivery app. Create a food delivery app, elements in detail. Generate design. Now it will start generating. So it has given, to design a comprehensive food delivery app, we can consider the following screens. Homepage displays a curated list of restaurants, popular dishes, and personalized recommendations. Restaurant menu shows the detailed menu of a selected restaurants with dish categories, prices, and description. Dish customization, shopping cart checkout, order tracking, user profile. Yeah. Proceed with designing the screens. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT also to give a better prompt or anything in detail and try that thing. Right now, we are giving a simple one line prompt, and in that only it is able to understand our ask and it is generating the UI accordingly. Stitch replied, the designs have been generated for your food delivery app. Food delivery homepage. This screen features a search bar, promotional banners, and categorized restaurant listings with essential details, all in a clean, modern, and inviting aesthetic. Restaurant menu, all the details, whatever is there in the restaurant menu, dish customization, shopping cart checkout, order tracking, user profiles. Would you like any changes or further details on this design? So, yes, make it look premium. Let's see, this user interface is nice, but I want to give it a little bit premium touch. But it's really wonderful, like just by saying one line and all the UI elements are ready. It's so fast and like it's very easy to do that thing. Let's see the generation first. Yeah, it has changed the background color, you can see, and now it is looking better than the previous one. It is giving the premium feel. Now, one more interesting thing is that if suppose you want to do any changes, so you can see here there are different options given for each. So, for example, I want to do edit design in the chat. So, after clicking on edit icon, this part has been selected, and I can write anything to change it. So, for example, let's give a video option 2 for in True. Let's see. Like I've just given something. Let's see. Is it possible? What it does. So I have selected that thing and I have given an option to modify it. Let's see what it generates. It has chosen this that part and now modifying it. You can see that request which we have made for adding a video option. It has added here. So now here, if I want to see it in a full screen. You can see it like that. Also, one more thing, Figma export only available in standard mode. So here we are doing it in experiment mode. So that's why Figma export is not available. The one very important functionality of this stitch is that you can directly export these generated UIs in the Figma and you can edit and make the changes. So that is wonderful and that is very helpful. So here, because we are doing in the experimental mode, it won't be possible. We'll try one more in doing in standard mode and then we will see how we can do the Figma process. For now, you can see that you can see the code of this UI. That's great. Like in just few minutes, that UI is ready and we can see the code also. Now let me show you the other options. This is same. This is like you can do the full screen. This is two. Now here a download option is there. If you want, you can download. You can see that we have designed the thing in this experimental mode. Now let me change that to the standard mode. The difference is that in the experimental mode, get high fidelity designs with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Use an image for inspiration. Design faster. Standard mode, in standard mode, design faster with Gemini 2.5 Flash. Quickly edit themes and export to Figma. Okay, so now we will try something in the standard mode. Game app with all important functionalities. Make sure it looks premium and in generate designs. It has generated a game design, game UI. Now let's try to export it to Figma. Now let's go and open the Figma. I have my Figma account. Have you can log into the Figma account and then do the process. So here, now because I already copied the UI from the stitch UI design, so now here I will just create a new design. And what do you want to make today? Let's click on mobile app, and we have just copied it from the stitch. So now let's it's already something is coming here, so let's create a new page here. Game app. Now here I will just paste that thing. Let's see what happens. Yes, it got pasted here. And the great thing about Figma is that now you can select different frames and you can do the edit. So I will show you once here. Depth frame. If I'll click here, it's showing depth one frame. Depth one frame. If I want to go inside it, it is showing different sections. Suppose I want to change the name of this. I want to edit it. So let's do the thing. Now I want to add something here, so I will first select its. Now let's click on the text option. Now let's type welcome to the game. You can write any thing, just like I'm giving an example. Now suppose we want to change the text of this start new game option. Play the game. So in Figma, you can do the edit. You can changes the if you want to do some modifications or add something, anything new, you can do. That is the uh, uh, advantage of using Figma. So just imagine like you have given some prompt, basic prompt or detailed prompt. You can take the help of chat gpt also, or any other llms, and you can ask them to detail it out the prompt for you, whatever you want. Now you can paste that into the stitch. Even without that also, you can give the simple prompt like how we have shown you right now, and then stitch will create you the design, and then you can modify that design in the Figma. Let's go to the stitch again, and there was an option of web. Let's try to create a web also. And also one interesting thing is that here is there is an option of image upload too. Now we are going to try here the web option. Let's see what the result comes. So here there are already two prompts given. I will use that prompt only. Let's do the second option, and it's generating. So we have tried the second option. It has created in the desktop form, and the process would be similar, like download, or you can export it into Figma. Now we just saw that Stitch can create wonderful UI designs for mobile as well as for web, and it's just by giving simple prompts it can create that thing. So it is a tool which can be used for work, and it can save a lot of time. So, and the best part is that it's completely free right now. Head over to stitch.google.com and start exploring it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.